Nigerian police file opposition to SOWORE's bail application. Tall court activists will run away from trial. To my dear listeners, good morning from wherever you listen from. And before I go into details, kindly please ensure you like, subscribe to this channel and share. Good morning and welcome to today's news. The Nigerian police on Wednesday opposed activist Omoyele Sowore's oral bail application, saying he will run away during trial. Sahara reporters earlier reported that Justice Musa Suleiman, Liman of the Federal High Court, had stood down the cybercrime suit preferred against Sowore by the Inspector General of Police till 3 p.m. The judge stood down the matter following an oral application for bail by his lawyer, Abubakar Marshal, after citing various sections of the Administration of the Criminal Justice Act, ACJA 2015. The police prosecution team argued that Sowore should not be granted bail, alleging that he will run away. A police officer at the Force Intelligence Department, Louise Edet, House, Force Headquarters, FCT, Fred Ame, in his disposition to the court, said that I verily believed, owing to the antecedent of the defendant applicant, the nature of the offences he is standing trial for, he would not be willing to stand for his trial if granted bail. He said that I know as a fact that the defendant applicant, if granted bail, will influence, interfere with, intimidate witnesses, have cronies and tentacles in overseas and groups in Nigeria that he is collaborating with. He added that should the court choose to deny Sowore bail, it will not infringe on the fundamental right of the defendant applicant. M.U. Jonathan and Abdul Rashid Ishaku Sidi, the lawyers representing the complainant respondent, Edbetokun, submitted that the defendant applicant Sowore, having exhibited many factors that work against the court exercising its unfettered discretion in his favor, and having not adduced any convincible evidence to warrant this court exercising its discretion in their favor, we urge the court to refuse him bail. The lawyers also claim to have evidence that Sowore will jump bail, saying, "We submit humbly, my lord, that though the court has discretion to grant bail, however, where there is believable, cogent, compelling, and thrilling, fascinating evidence, as in the instant application, that the defendant will abscond or interfere with witnesses or evidence, the court is encouraged to exercise its discretion in refusing bail. We urge the Honorable Court to do so, to so hold. We therefore urge Lordship to dismiss the application for lacking in merit and devoid of substance," they added. The trial judge had insisted that the defense counsel move a formal application for bail. But after the prosecution and defense counsel reached an agreement on both oral and formal applications without objection, the judge adjourned the matter to 3 o'clock p.m. for the hearing of the bail application. Sowore earlier on Wednesday pleaded not guilty to a 16-count charge filed against him by Edbetokun at the Federal High Court in Abuja. The case, with suit number FHCABJCR 23-2025, accuses Sowore of using his verified X, formerly Twitter handle, on December 13, 2024 to publish a statement referring to Edbetokun as the illegal IGP. The police alleged that this statement was false and intended to incite public unrest and tarnish the reputation of the police force. The police further claimed that Showere's post on social media threatened to incite Nigerians against the NPF. Count 1 of the charges reads that you, Omoyele Sowore, on the 13th day of December 2024 within the jurisdiction of this honorable court did intentionally and knowingly send messages through your verified X-handle account, Omoyele Sowore, and caused a publication against the Inspector General of Police, wherein you addressed him as the legal IGP Kayode Egbetokun, which you knew to be false for the purpose of causing breakdown of law and order, and you caused the message to be sent and thereby committed an offense contrary to Section 24(1)(b) of the Cybercrime Prohibition Prevention Act 2015 as amended 2024 and punishable under Section 24(2)(c)(2) of the same Act. To my dear listeners, now we've come to the end of our today's news. Please do drop by at the comment section